The installation, setup and maintenance of the Vallox Exxeo DS model. Installation. You can install the Vallox Exxeo roof fan by using either the mounting frame delivered with the unit or the optional roof penetration part. If the existing feed-through opening is smaller than the Exxeo mounting frame opening, the opening must be widened. Electrical connections. Ensure that the power supply wiring is correctly connected to the safety switch. The coil voltage of the contactors of Vallox Exxeo DS models is 400 volts. Make sure that the thermal protectors have been bypassed or that they are sufficient, and ensure that the change of the neutral conductors has been made. The EC motors of Exxeo roof fans have integrated thermal protectors. The operating voltage of the fans of the smaller roof fans in the series is 230 volts. A voltage of 400 volts will destroy the motor immediately. Setup. Before starting the fan, ensure that the fan wheel can rotate freely and that there are no loose or extra objects inside the duct system or the roof fan. The measuring tubes are located behind the control unit's protective cover. The measuring tubes are marked with plus and minus signs. A manometer can be connected to them. The K-factors are specified in a label close to the measuring tubes. Scan the QR code for the instructions for use and other information. If necessary, you can adjust the control voltages of the Vallox Exxeo DS fans with the control unit's potentiometers. The factory settings are 5 volts and 10 volts. Maintenance. Switch off the voltage by using the safety switch and wait until the fan has stopped completely before starting maintenance. To access the fan motor, undo the roof panel and rain cover screws and remove them. Next, you can lift off the side panels. Before working with the components, make sure that there is no voltage. Wait at least 5 minutes to ensure that the voltage of the capacitors is discharged to a safe level. Reassemble the roof fan in reverse order. For more detailed instructions, please see the instructions for use on Vallox's website, vallox.com.